Locksmith Dakabin. Tech Locksmiths offers reliable locksmith services in Dakabin and nearby areas, serving homes and businesses. Our skilled team covers various locations, including Kallangur, Narangba, Kurwongbah, Petrie, Murrumba Downs, Deception Bay, and more. We specialise in automotive locksmiths, providing services like key cutting, lock repairs, rekeying, and more for residential and commercial Brisbane Northside locksmith needs. We prioritise safety and are available 24/7 for quick and dependable service. Whether you need a new car key, emergency assistance, or help with a safe, our mobile team uses top quality materials and advanced techniques. With our professionalism, competitive rates, and accreditation from the Master Locksmiths Association, Tech Locksmiths ensures high-quality solutions for all your locksmith needs in Brisbane. Contact us now for assistance.